backstage magic. This looks like at least one of the fireworks barges coming out for tonight's fireworks at EPCOT. They're going underneath what I guess I never realized is a drawbridge. This is right by the African outpost, in between that and China. How cool. Something I haven't seen before. Is this technically called a drawbridge, or is it just a bridge that raises? Oh, there's another barge coming. Backstage magic. FactsandFigment.com. My name is Jim. Enjoy the show. Oh wow. And the heavy artillery. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. I do believe Disney is the second, at least at one point, was the second largest purchaser of firearms in the world behind the U.S. Army, or maybe it was America, but they were the second largest behind the U.S. military, not just Army. There you go, fun facts and behind the scenes magic.